Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Manas, a Pursuit of Happiness, and this is your Dr. Chitrarvan. So today I've come up with a very interesting topic, and most of my clients and whoever I meet would ask this question to me. It's a $1 million question, difficult to answer, but how, doctor, can I get up early in the morning? And the first question I ask them is that why is it you want to wake up? So find out the reason and the purpose why you really want to wake up early in the morning, just because your spouse said so, or just because your parents said so, or why is it you really want to wake up in the morning? They say it's a very good habit, isn't it? Yeah, undoubtedly waking up early in the morning and having a routine starting from morning and go chasing your dreams is definitely a very good routine to follow. But easily said, it's not. It's very difficult to attain that. But then even though I say it's difficult, I wouldn't say that it is not possible. Because we are not actually born with this kind of tendency to wake up late and go to sleep late. All this is just, we just had this habit on our way. So we usually term this thing as habit. So when I say habit, it is a set of behavior which we keep repeating again and again and again. So even our body would have got used to it, and most importantly our mind would have got used to it. So that's the reason every time you just put your alarm and then you want to wake up, let it be 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. and then you click the snooze button again and again, and you don't succeed waking up early. So you would have got motivated by seeing a lot of videos and lot of quotes and that thing, tomorrow I'm really going to wake up on time and follow my exercise routine, yoga, dance, whatnot. But then something happens and everything goes out of hand. So now I'm going to share with you the kind of secret about how to wake up early in the morning. And if you have the commitment and if you are going to be consistent and following my mantra, definitely you all also can definitely wake up early in the morning. So you want to join the 4 a.m. club? Come on, we can do it. It's not that impossible to do it. So now for that I need to explain you certain things. Only then you will understand the secret behind how you can wake up early in the morning. For which I'll just take you through a situation. I'll give you a hypothetical situation. Let's say that you all are planning for a very exciting trip. Maybe it's coming down in the next 2 weeks with your loved ones, maybe family or friends, whoever it may be. And you're planning for a very exciting trip, that is. Okay, and it's been a long time you since went out for a trip also. So you're just looking forward to that. Just imagine everyday morning how it would be compared to other mornings. The other mornings would be like, why did even the day start? And again the same old routine, same old monotony, and you'll feel really irritated and annoyed to wake up. Especially when that alarm sound, wherever you hear, it really annoys you, isn't it? But then 2 weeks down the line, if you're going for a trip, everyday morning is going to be very exciting, enticing and energetic, isn't it? And as the day comes very closer, and maybe let's say tomorrow is the day when you're really packing your bags and leaving. So that night is the night. Even though you've gone late to the bed, the morning is completely sleepless, not in a negative way but in a positive way. You are extremely energetic with a lot of enthusiasm, positivity, and you just wake up even before the alarm could go on. So how this is happening, how this phenomenon, you may think that maybe, doctor, this is once in a while, that's why we are able to do. No, that is where our secret lies. That is what drives you. So you need to understand what really motivates you. Obviously positive things and pleasurable things motivates us, and the routine things or so-called boring things do not motivate us. Getting up in the morning, again doing the home course, and again taking the child to the school or the online classes, or you going to the work is completely boring and monotony, and you don't find the reason why I have to wake up early in the morning. To answer the question I asked you in the beginning of this video. So you need to figure out by making it more interesting day, how to make it more interesting. So I said you had a goal, that is a leisure goal of going out with your loved ones for the next 2 weeks. So that kept you going, that kept you very happy for the 2 weeks. So just similarly, have some goal which is going to be so exciting, so enjoyable. But don't think that, okay, for the next 5 years I have so and so goals, doctor, I have this career goal, very exciting down the line. You're going to be exhausted. It's just in the next 5 years, and it's too long time. That's why in psychology we say that break the goals. It's going to be like an immediate goal, short-term goal, long-term goal. So just leave alone our big picture of 5 to 10 years. Go with the flow. Maybe for the next 1 month, what is that I'm going to attain? Let it be planned as alongside your passion also. Don't take up something which does not interest you. Take up something which is really going to be exciting for you, and it can be a health goal, or it can be your it can be your career goals, or whatever it may be, but it should really excite you. Figure out what is that you love to do, what is that you really looking forward to. Maybe it is a yoga class, or maybe it is a dance class, whatever may be. So you just plan likewise, and every day in the morning is one step towards that particular goal. Just imagine a day that way. Other days are like monotonous, just like any other day. But then thinking about having a goal, maybe for the next 2 weeks you have a goal to attain. Then this day is definitely going to be a one step towards that exciting goal. So don't you think the day will be more interesting? So don't think that other people will have to come and set the goal for you and really interest you and all that. It is you who has to set this goal. And also don't forget to reward yourself when you achieve the goal. For example, going for a trip itself is so rewarding, but not always other goals are so rewarding. Like for the next 2 weeks I have to go to gym, or the next 2 weeks I have to go to this class so that I can reduce my weight and keep myself healthy. For all these things to excite you, you need to give yourself a reward. This is again a secret number 2. So how do you think these dolphins and other animals can do lot of magic at the circus? So how is it even possible? It's by the technique in psychology, we call it as a shaping techniques, by which every time the bird or animal, even those, not even the human, when they learn a trick, they get a reward, that is a food. So for them, the birds and animal, it's a food. For human beings, it can be various things. So learn to understand what really keeps you going, what ticks you, what drives you, and just imagine for a second what you're doing. Maybe you just work for money, or you're studying, maybe you're studying for your parents. But other things, where your real interests lie, just think about it for a moment, and that is where your driving force lies. So but it should be like a negative thing. Okay, I have to go to a task, or I have to go and do drugs with friends. No, sorry guys, no, it's not about that. It is about something which is healthy, as well as it is going to be really enjoyable. Figure out that. So you have to go in parallel line with that and set a goal. Goal is something which is going to make your life really colorful and exciting. Otherwise, every day is going to be a monotonous day and you don't feel like getting up. But when you find that goal and give some meaning to your life, every day morning is going to be exciting. And when you wake up, you know where it is actually taking you to. Otherwise, it's like a journey which is never ending. Today, day after, again one more day. Where it is even leading me? Nowhere. But when you know that you are actually taking your step towards that fantasy world, obviously every day morning is going to be exciting, and definitely you wouldn't snooze that alarm. You would wake up with that surge of energy and go ahead with your life so that your goal is attained. So I'm not going to talk generally about what goals you have to have, because it's highly specific and unique to the personality of who you are. For me, the goal can be different. For you, it can be different. All I'm telling you is set a goal. And not for the next 5 years, but very immediate short-term goals you need to set, maybe which you can attain in a week or 2 or a month, so that every day is a step towards that goal. And once you achieve that goal, you're going to get a reward. If the goal is too big, just split it to pieces and make it like work for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, whatever it may be. So, and then every day will be definitely exciting. So when you do this, obviously the next day morning when you really want to wake up, it will be like a day where you are just counting your day to go for a vacation. So how to make the life interesting is by setting a goal, and obviously by setting a goal, definitely you will not click that snooze button again. So I guess this video will definitely take you that step towards your goal, that is waking up early in the morning. All the best. Take care. Bye.